These countries are about 10,900 kilometers apart. So, how can people approach the gigantic Pacific Ocean? A long time ago, when people didn't know how to build a boat, they could just swim. Then, thankfully, someone invented the rowboat, and the steamboat were introduced to the world. Today, people will probably travel by airplane. This is the indication of the flight routes every day. From the density of this photo, we could realize that airplanes play an important part in our daily lives.
Now, let's move on to the history of the flying machine. People have always dreamed of flying. This is great mass of the colors. His father made him a pair of wings out of wax, but he flew too high and melted. The wax melted. This is Leonardo da Vinci. He also attempted to make a flying machine. He failed though. In 19th century, the glider was invented. People are closer and closer to the goal. Finally, in 1903, Orville and Wilbur Wright did a job. The Wright brothers completed the first ever flight.
As for the structure, this is basically what an airplane looks like. The main body is called a fuselage. Of course, there are the wings. The engine provides propulsion, and the vertical stabilizers and horizontal stabilizers balance the planes. But what actually makes such a heavy thing fly? There are the four fundamental forces involved: lift, thrust, weight, and drag. According to Newton's third law of motion, the air coming out of the engine pushes the plane. This is how air lifts the plane. The air coming towards the plane divided into two parts. The air going up reduces the air pressure and accelerates downward. And the air pressure and the air going down increases the air pressure. These are the functions to make the airplane fly.
Finally, research shows that people fall in love with flight attendants at first sight more than any other profession. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your